Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to open a Newton account offline. Now, before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to access your Newton account but couldn't because you were offline? Maybe you were on a plane or in a remote location with no internet connection. If so, then you know how frustrating it can be. That's why I'm here today to show you how to open a Newton account offline. This is a great way to stay connected to your investments, even when you're not online. So, let's get started. How to open a Newton account offline. Download the Newton app. The first thing you need to do is download the Newton app to your smartphone or tablet. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Create an account. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to create an account. This is a simple process that just requires you to enter your name, email address, and password. Verify your account. After you've created your account, you'll need to verify it. This is done by entering a verification code that is sent to your email address. Enable offline access. Once your account is verified, you can enable offline access. This will allow you to view your portfolio and place trades, even when you're not online. Start trading. Now that you've enabled offline access, you can start trading. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies, as well as view your portfolio history and track your performance. Benefits of opening a Newton account offline. There are a number of benefits to opening a Newton account offline. Here are a few of the most important. Stay connected to your investments. You can view your portfolio and place trades, even when you're not online. Save money on data. You don't need to use data to access your account. Increase your security. Your offline account is more secure than an online account, as it is not connected to the internet. Conclusion. Opening a Newton account offline is a great way to stay connected to your investments, even when you're not online. It's a simple process that takes just a few minutes, and it can give you peace of mind knowing that you can access your account anytime, anywhere. So, what are you waiting for? Open a Newton account offline today. Additional tips. If you're planning to use your offline account to place trades, make sure you have enough funds in your account. You can also use your offline account to view your transaction history and track your performance. If you have any questions about how to use your offline account, please contact Newton Support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.